So I am a fan of Palworld, and I'm also a fan of card games. So when I found this box of Palworld cards from a totally reliable source, I knew they had to be mine. Hey, my name is James. I go over TCG design, I make my own homemade TCG, shard TCG, and occasionally I do TCG pack openings or card game pack openings just like this. But today, this box of cards is a bit different from my usual homemade TCG cards that I open. These Palworld cards were found on AliExpress. This sounds like a very legit business, and by the look of this box, I would say yes, actually they've done a fantastic job. It's like really good quality, you know, it's like a genuine manufactured box. So obviously there's been a reasonably large company in China that has made these Palworld cards. So I have searched high and low for other sources of these cards, and so far I have found absolutely nothing. They exist only on AliExpress, which means I have absolutely no idea what is inside this box, so I'm going to grab my scissors and let's get it open. If you're going to make a fake set of cards, why would you go through this much effort? This is fantastic. Is it a slidey out box or is it an opening box? What kind of box are we dealing with? Oh, it's an opening box. Okay, okay. Oh, it's even got a magnet. They don't have to try this hard. They do not. Oh, look at that. So let's just see. So we've got some Palworld packs. How many packs have we got? We get 6, so I'm assuming 12 total. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 for some reason. Okay. Unless did I drop one in? I don't know. Right, so right away we can see we've got Grizzball on the front, and we've also got Chicket. Is it Chicket? Chickpea? Something like that. The chicken. I always just called them chicken, so I never knew. I think there might only be one card in each pack, which is a little bit disappointing, but we'll see. We'll see. I think it is, yeah, just one card per pack. I have no idea what these cards actually look like. Oh, we've got Grizzbolt right away. Hey, that actually looks half decent. I mean, we haven't got curved edges, which I think for TCGs is a pretty standard thing, but as just a collector's piece, I mean, that looks pretty cool. It looks like perhaps there's stats on the side there, like in that image there. We've got VPR, PWVPR 007. Is that just a code number? I'm not quite sure. Like I said, there's not a lot we can decipher. Oh, it's cool, like little background. So you've got like the capture ball with it. You've got Palworld written on. The card is very thick as well, very thick. That's sturdy. That does not want to bend. Okay, so we've started off with Grizzball, okay, and we'll start speeding things up a little bit more now. He looks like a bit of a shiny, so I think we've kicked off with a rare. Oh wait, there's 2 in this one. What? Oh, okay. We've got Dinosum, and we've got the Storm one. Hang on, I'll find out the names. Dazzy, right, so I've got a search thing on the side just to remind me of everything. So we've got Dazzy, and look, it's got like the little symbol there, but Dinosum, different cards from different packs or something. It's like, and the backgrounds are different. Right, wait, so what's this? What is this? I mean, these are going to be awesome. I'm going to end up using these for like B-roll and everything when I'm talking about card games, give an example of card games. I love just having this type of material just for, you know, entertaining background stuff. Oh, looks like we've got Ribbunny. Oh, this one's in English. Oh, so is Dinosum. Okay, so Dinosum was in, right, so that's the same set as that. That looks the same as that now. We've got like a cheeseburger. Okay. Looks like it gives you stats as well. So some of this is usable. Oh, but that's a different background again. So that's not the same as that. All the card is consistent though. It's printed in the same place, I think. I think they're just using different sources to actually print them. So I'm going to put that with that because I kind of think they're together. We'll see just how many different cards we actually get from this Palworld set. And another thing I want to bring up while opening these cards was actually talking about a legit card game for Palworld. So we've got Nightwing, And we've got, oh, the sexy one. Forget what it's called. Love-Hander, isn't it? So Nightwing can go there with Dinosum. That's very nice. They're all the same. They've got the same stats. So there is something playable there, I think. But I would actually really love to see a Palworld trading card game. So I know there is one. It's been very subtly teased, so it's not like really big news right now. And it might still take a couple of years before it even comes out. Nice. We've got Ichthyodeer. I like Ichthyodeer. And we've also got another bit of food there. I put that under Grisbolt. I say they don't feel like cheap cards. I mean, they don't feel like TCG cards. They haven't got that same material. They are good quality. Like, they're not just going to fall apart. They've even got a nice silver trimming around the PAL itself. And then you've got the shiny background with the PAL just being like a gloss instead of a shine. So they're working with good printing systems, you know. By any means, these are not cheap cards. It's just a shame that we're only getting a couple of cards per pack. But, you know, it's still pretty good. But yes, let me know in the comments section if you want to see a Palworld trading card game, and if so, would you play it? I know that if one comes out, I will definitely be one of the first ones to buy a pack. I'd be really excited about that. What the hell is this? Every pack's got something a bit different in it. So yeah, this reminds me of like Hecatomb and stuff like that, where you can put things over the top. So I don't know, like, can we just have Love-Hander on TV? Like, what's this even for? Like, what else is this gonna give me? You know, it's so different. So let's stack them up all up together. I'm gonna put Fork down there. But what the hell? And what's the other card that we got here? Oh, we got a Capricorn. So these seem to be the most common, like this version of the card at least. So there is some consistency there. I mean, the Grisbolt I'm liking the most. I wish they all came out looking like that. But, you know, I can't complain. They're all pretty good. So up next, we got Woolly Pop. Now, this PAL saved my butt in the early game so much because Woolly Pop produces cotton candy and keeps your pals from basically going insane. So I would definitely recommend, if you're ever thinking about playing the game, get a Woolly Pop just for starters. And then another food card. They like the food cards, you know. But I mean, that's pretty good. I'm sure at some point I'll talk about food and buffs and everything, and then they go in my B-roll. So I'm looking forward to recording all that stuff. That's gonna be good. Yes, and also if you would like to see a Palworld trading card game, what do you think it would actually play like? I think a lot of people kind of speculate that it'll end up being similar to Pokemon. But I would really hope that it gets its own flavor, its own feel to it. You know, it doesn't have to just be another clone. The clone is in the imagery, which now we have Flambella. Or is it Flambelle? Flambelle. Flambelle. I don't know, I never had one of these. I'd seen them in the game, but I just avoided them. Because I think by the time I got to that part, I didn't need any more fire. And some more food. We've got some more food here. It's making me hungry. I've just started intermittent fasting, by the way, so seeing all this food is really appreciated. And just remember, if you're enjoying this video up to this point, don't forget to hit that like button. I really do appreciate it. Makes me know that you're either a fan of trading card games or a fan of Palworld. Either which way, I do appreciate you. And next we've got Mosander, the weird panda. And then we've got, oh, that's very nice. Something different again. Palworld with just like the dragon symbol on. But we've got Anubis there. We've got a couple of the lamb balls, and it just says Palworld. That's really beautiful. I mean, oh my god, look at that sheen. Wow. That's just all sorts of sparkling. That. Bloody hell. I guess we'll do that as like with Grisbolt, keep it in like the alternate section there. So yes, like I say, I really hope you're liking the video and you're enjoying it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button too if you want to see more like this, because actually I lied when I said I got a box. I actually have 2 boxes. I felt like maybe they'd all be the same, but God knows what else is in here. So I might do a second video of this, you know, just to see. It was a better deal to get 2 boxes rather than 1, so I was like, well, I'll grab that. And if you're interested in getting these cards yourself, I will put a link in the description. I'm not sure, like I say, it's the most legit cards in the world, but if you are curious to have some of your own, then I say just go for it, you know, it's just out of curiosity. So we've got Hangyu. Hangyu is one that you end up finding like in the desert area and stuff, and he's a good glider. Now, if you were making a TCG, how would you incorporate gliders into a TCG? And then some more food. It seems to be like a good coupling thing. We seem to get a piece of food with every pal that we get. Right, so we're down to the final 3 packs. So I'm gonna go with this middle pack. Ooh, it feels heavier. It feels heavier. Does that mean something? Have we found something that we shouldn't have found? Oh. Also, let me know in the comment section if you're wanting to see another pack of this with this next box, because I am quite curious, but it has to be through demand, really, to see if it's worth it. Right, we've got a Kelpsy. I like the Kelpsy. Oh, this is not heavier at all. Oh, is that slightly different? I like the Kelpsy. He's a fun little character. Are they exactly the same? That one's got like a green tinge, and this one's got like a gold tinge. Must be marinated. The different stats. The different stats. So 2 different tones of meat. I mean, this one looks more appetizing to me. And going off the stats, I'd say it is. It is actually more appetizing. We get some sanity boost here. Oh, we have Univol. And I absolutely loved my Univol in Palworld. It was the first pal that I actually had a double speed combination. I'm trying to remember what they're called now. But basically, it just flew so fast. And then I obviously got into breeding and got some faster pal. Oh, yes. I was going to say Turtonator, but that's Pokemon. So let's not say that. So no, it's not Turtonator. It's Digtoise. That's it. See, I remembered. I'm going to stop playing Palworld again now because this is just awesome. Look at that. That Digtoise is beautiful. And he's got like a gold trim rather than a silver trim. Very, very nice. Last packs of the box. We have... Oh. Keep them covered. Keep them covered. We have... Oh, it's... What's his face? Oh my god, I can't believe... Surfant. That's it. It's in the background there. Surfant. Yep, so we've got Surfant, and that's a very nice card, like. And then we've got Vanworm. Oh, I do like a Vanworm. I noticed we didn't see. Did we see any variants? Because I like my Vanworm Chris as well, but we've just got Vanworm. I don't think we picked up any variants at all. So let's have a look. No, we've got Digtoise, Univol. Kelpsy, no Kelpsy Ignis, Hangyu, Mossanda, Flambella, Woollypop, Capridy, Ichthydia. Isn't there's a variant of Ichthydia? I think so. Nightwing, Ribbony, Dinossum, no Dinossum Lux. So, no variants. So, maybe there's a variant in this box. But we'll have to find out next time. I say, I'll not be posting 2 box opening videos in a row. I like to keep things varied up. So if you are subscribing, don't worry if the next video isn't another box opening video. But I think, because I really enjoyed exploring these, I want to know what's in that box. You know, my original plan was to just keep this sealed, you know, try like a collector's thing. But it's not really legit, so I guess it doesn't really have much collector's value. Unless it's some sort of early leak or something like that, which I very much doubt. But just on the off chance, that would have made it super valuable in that case. But no, I think we're going to open the box because curiosity will get the better of me. So I hope you enjoyed everything that we got to look at today, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.